question is find the equation of line passing through a point -3, 5 and perpendicular to the line through the points 2, 5 and -3, 6. So this is the question, everyone. Now let's understand what is the question saying. The question is saying that you have to find an equation of line. You know that equation of line is in the form of y is equals to mx plus c, where m is the slope and c is the y-intercept, right? And x and y, this is the variable point, okay? The point which you can change, a point which is not fixed. Now, this line, you have to find out the equation which is passing through the point -3, 5. So let's take -3, 5 point as P, okay? -3, 5. Now, and perpendicular to the line. So the line which you have to find out the equation that is perpendicular to the line which is passing through 2, 5 and -3, 6. So let's take this point as Q, 2, 5 and R as -3, 6. Now let's understand, everyone, using the plane, okay? Using the plane. So there is a line, okay, of which you have to find out the equation. So let's say the line, name of that line is L1. This line is passing through some point. So let's say the P point is there, which is having the coordinate as -3, 5. This line is perpendicular. Perpendicular means making an angle of 90 degrees. If I have taken this line as vertical, so the other line will be horizontal, or you can interchange also in your way. So this line I have taken as L2. Now this line L2, which is at 90 degree with L1, this is passing through point Q and point R. So Q I have taken as 2, 5 and R I have taken as -3, 6. Now you know that very well. When two lines are perpendicular, their slope. So let's say the slope of line L1 we have taken as M1. Slope of line L2 we have taken as M2. When two lines are perpendicular, means they are intersecting at 90 degree angle, then there is a formula that is product of their slope that is equals to -1, right? So if you will see for L2, this is passing through 2 points. So whenever we have 2 points, we can easily find out the slope. So slope of line L2, we have a general formula, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So y2 is what? So for this is, I have taken as x1, y1 in my mind, and this one as x2, y2 to find out the slope. So what is y2? Is 6, because we know that whenever we are writing a coordinate, x will come first and y later. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So value will be 1 over -5, which is, you can write as -1 over 5 also, okay? So this is the slope. Now I have the slope of line L2, which is M2. Now I will put this value here. So M1 into -1/5 is equals to -1. Everything is in multiply in the left-hand side. So negative cancels out. So M1 is equals to 1 multiply 5/1. I change the place of this equation to the right-hand side. So it will flip, means it will reciprocate. So M1 will be 5. Okay. So now I got the slope of this. Now equation of line which I have to find out is this. So I got the slope. Now I have to work out for the intercept and all that. So what I will do, already I know that line L1 is passing through. Just a second, I will rub it, then I will write it. Okay. So now I know that this is not required now because I have the value of M1. Now you know that for L1, we have an equation. Whenever a line is passing through a point, we have a equation y minus y1 is equals to m of x minus x1. So y minus y1 and x1, these are the points that is coming from the coordinate, this one. Okay. So -3, 5, let's take as x1, y1 now. In my mind, you will say that, ma'am, you have taken x1, y1 in this place. You can change because now you are working for L1. So in your mind, you can do. So y1 is what? 5. And what is slope coming of M1? 5. What is x minus x1? x1 is -3. Now we just have to sort out. We will open the bracket. Minus is plus. So it will become 5 multiply plus 3, which is 15. So 5 is equals to 5x. I'm taking that -5 to that side. So y is equals to 5x plus 20. So this is the equation. If you compare, we are getting the equation in the same form.